Hey, hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. So, the topic of today's video is something which is not good in the sense it's about a fraud that is going on in Amazon recently, and I fell prey to that just because I trusted Amazon. And it's not a small amount. I paid about 1.3 lakhs for a system and ended up receiving absolutely nothing. I mean, whatever I've received is not even worth 15 or 20,000. So how it started was I was in Chennai, and during that time I saw that a deal was going on in Amazon for the Zotus Magnus One Z box, which is supposed to include Intel Core i7 10700 and RTX 3070 LHR edition. So seeing the price, I thought it's quite a decent price for a fully built system. I mean, it's the bare bones which would need you to install additional RAM and hard drives. But even then, the price that was quoted was pretty decent considering recent GPU and CPU prices. So I purchased it, even though I was not there. The item was delivered, it was received by my wife. She just checked from the top that yes, the box was there, that's about it. But when I came back, I was in for a rude shock. I mean, I opened expecting to get the system up and running because I already had the RAM and SSD that I salvaged from a different system. But the moment I opened it, lo and behold, the GPU is missing. The rear part where the GPU should be coming out from, the IO ports, that has been welded off. So that could have been done by someone who had the required tools and the skill set. So that was a very rude shock, and it took me a couple of days to like get out of it. I mean, for a middle class person, 1.3 lakh rupees loss is a huge amount. So after a few days, I thought, okay, fine, let's still try and start the system because it has a i7 10700, which has an integrated graphics card, that is iGPU. I tried powering on the system, no display. The fan spins, that's it. Then it dawned on me that let me check the CPU side of things, and there you go again. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card is missing, and when I removed the CPU fan as well, the CPU is also missing. So all I have is a box with just a motherboard. That's it, and for that I paid 1.3 lakhs. When I contacted Amazon, they simply washed their hands off, stating I did not contact them during the return period. I tried escalating, but they did not entertain. So, guys, be very careful. And this is not the not only me has faced this issue. If you check the product page and check the review, there would be a review from another person who has clearly stated that he has also received a dead system. So this is a huge scam by Amazon, and I'm repeating Amazon multiple times. The reason behind this is from a trusted seller, Apparel Retail, which is one of their trusted sellers. So I generally do not buy high value items from third party sellers. I either buy it from Cloudtail or from Apparel, but then this is something which has happened from Apparel Retail itself. So let me show you the current condition of the system. So as you can see friends, this is the rear of the system. This is where the graphics card IO is supposed to come out, but you can see, I'll zoom it for you. It has been welded out. You can see the welding marks around here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, you should be able to see it now. See, it has been welded shut. Okay, so let's open up the system. As you can see, this is where the graphics card is supposed to be. They have removed the card and they have welded this part. You can clearly see this is welded back, and this kind of welding can only be done by someone who has access to pretty good tools. Now if you see, if I remove this part as well, this is where the Wi-Fi card was supposed to be. Exactly where you see this antenna connectors, this is where the card was supposed to be, but it's not there. And if I remove the CPU fan, you'll see that there is no CPU inside. The CPU is supposed to be inside there, but there is nothing inside, unfortunately. So all I have received for like 1,30,000 is this entire cabinet and this motherboard. That's it. I mean, this is a piece of junk right now, and to get it working, what I need to do is I need to buy a CPU. A CPU right now 10700 costs around 30,000 rupees, and graphics card, you know, I mean, the rates are sky high. There is nothing to talk about it. So at the end of the day, this is like a huge loss for me, and the reason why I'm making this video is to make people aware that please do not buy this from Amazon. Please save your money. Please don't buy this from Amazon and get duped by whoever is doing this. I mean, this is really not expected from Amazon, but yes, guys, they have also stooped down to very low levels, and this is what they have started doing. That being said, I would request you to share this video so that more people become aware of the fraud that is going on, that Amazon is doing, and they stop buying these from Amazon and they stop getting themselves cheated. That being said, friends, thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.